Sage is the only data and analytics resource dedicated to the deca-billion-dollar exotic car market consisting of Ferrari, Lamborghini, McLaren, and Porsche. We only model observable data, taken daily from the actual market inventory. This generates a deep understanding of the market's makeup and a vehicle's position in it. This is the basis of our advanced analytical models, which estimate true market statistics and robust analyses of the value of specific vehicles. No one else uses the in-depth methodologies and techniques which we employ. As a byproduct of our raw data collection methods for advanced analytics, we capture rich sets of vehicle market histories, build specs and VIN-specific images for hundreds of thousands of individual vehicles. We also offer one-click access to current AutoCheck reports using our unique contractual access to the Experian application programming interface. Our product highlight reel really starts with the provisioning of core market analytics. We provide daily updated central tendency statistical data for over 150 unique supercar models. These are the most basic data required to understand the market and market values, but they are only the start. And while these basic data can be further understood using our interactive historical price charts, featuring tooltips displaying central tendency data, it's our Sage apps that make the real difference. It's common to see unfounded statements and claims that saturate supercar ads, with no reference to data integrity or source. Even the most cursory examination proves that these data are nonsense. Real market data, fully sourced and disclosed and updated daily, is applied in Sage apps so as to accurately understand the supercar markets and how to price the vehicles in them. To truly understand a specific vehicle's position in the market and its value requires advanced analytics. As this chart shows, when market inventory prices are charted against their matching vehicle mileages, it's clear that pricing in the supercar markets is mostly random noise. This makes rudimentary measurements like averages being the weakest possible statistical measure to apply to the supercar markets, mostly useless to advance one's understanding. Even when we refine our thinking by plotting the market inventory from low to high mileage, it's clear that supercar pricing appears to have little to no base logic being applied. Pricing decisions are being made by independent market participants who lack a base understanding of the market constituency as a whole. There is clearly little use of the advanced pricing methodologies used in most modern industries. Sage apps use advanced analytics to clear up the noise. They use robust statistical modeling of the actual market distribution to generate a real-world understanding of the markets and market pricing. This makes it possible for all market participants to make intelligent, highly optimized pricing decisions. It all starts by looking at the actual market inventory distributions for price and mileage. These distributions allow Sage apps to create analytical models of the real world. These fundamental building blocks become the basis for understanding what otherwise appears to be an irrational marketplace. Distribution analysis allows us to understand a vehicle's position in the marketplace and therefore to evaluate its price as a function of its mileage. The Sage Range System and Sage Rank app can be used to evaluate where a vehicle exists in relation to the marketplace as a whole, and from that to understand how far off its price is from expectations, positively or negatively, with a 0 rank being the expected value where price and mileage are in equilibrium. The Sage Price app generates 2 pure mileage price estimates using different tunings. The use case varies depending upon the market. If there is a wide range of mileages in the market, the 0 rank model can focus in on a narrower, more representative segment. If mileage in the market is relatively well-bounded, the linear model can provide more observations, which increases accuracy of the prediction. It should be clear that using any method to generate a real-world price estimate requires an understanding of what the market is doing at a foundational level. Pricing a supercar without this critical data means that the price setter is merely best guessing, at best. A Sage price estimate is the base upon which to build out a full market price estimate by adding or subtracting subjective pricing elements. And whichever Sage price app estimate is applied, The result will be based on the core reality of the market's consensus value of the most fundamental element of a vehicle's price relative to other vehicles in the market, its mileage. Sage apps are at the pinnacle of making sense of the market and every vehicle's position in it. Whether you want direct access to our apps and charts, need programmatic access to our turnkey resources for your CMS or for creating derivative works, or are simply interested in our affiliate programs, we stand ready to turn our platform into your solution.